So hopefully this is a quick tip on how to fix a loose gear knob. So this has been like this for a while. So what we're going to do is actually slide this off, and then we're going to take some black electrical tape, and I'm going to put a couple of strips around this. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I put a very, very thin piece of tape around here and here, and all it is, I've not gone all the way around either, so I'm going to try slide it back on. It's worked as a temporary fix, so it feels solid, whereas before you could literally wobble it left and right, whereas now it feels solid enough, but it still needs gluing on properly, I reckon. Quick tip.